Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2018 Kia Forte. So this what it looked like, and I'm gonna change the mirror. As you can see, the mirror is all messed up. I'm gonna change that. This one is real easy to change. You just need to get a flathead screwdriver, come underneath here or here, or even here. You just need to get this piece off right here, this cover right here. All right, and guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. I also did some more video on Kias. You can go ahead and check that out if you like, and let's get to it. So flathead screwdriver, get it up under here, pry that off. So you pry it from the bottom a little bit, get it from the top, and voila. So this left back, you can just simply take this out. So now that's out, you're gonna have to squeeze this right here up and pull back on it, and it will unplug like that. And you're gonna have 310mm. You're gonna need to take off to get the mirror off. Yeah, this mirror is real easy to change. Here's the new mirror right here. Actually, this is a used mirror I got from a junkyard. I was able to get the same color, so I was lucky then. Alright, so let's get the 10mm, take that out. Alright, so you're gonna have and at this point you want to hold the mirror so it don't fall out the car. So you want to hold that, and that's just so you don't let the mirror fall and scratch the car. All right. Get it out like that. You want to get your new mirror right here. Let's call it. And catch a screw in it. So there we go. Tighten these 310mm. Alright, so that's good right there. Need to plug this in. But your mirror won't come with this. This is just junk I need to take off. Alright, so plug this in right here. Here, lock into place. So now you wanna take cover it, but I have to do an extra step, so I gotta cut this off right here. So yeah, remove this and lock this into place. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your mirror. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. And now it's time to check the function of the mirror. So you go to the left, to the right, you go to the left, you go up, and it go down. Alright guys, peace out. Thumbs up.